until about midnight the night before. So we left at that point when we realized that it looked like it was going to be more of a direct hit, which it turned out. We had sort of made sure all the hurricane shutters were down. We had done everything because we figured the power was going to get out beforehand. You know, when we first came back, it wasn't too much of a surprise because luckily our service contractors were able to take a boat over to the island. And so we had a bunch of pictures of the island, of the house, both inside and out. And luckily we had minimal damage on the upper 2 levels, so it's livable, you know, so we were fortunate.
Okay.
Right.
So,
it's easy enough to tighten.
yeah, and then you might want to have, you know, when an engineer does come here, point that out to them.
Take a survey of the structural and then basically give us some good tips and stuff like that, but it sounds like everything at least has survived pretty well, so that was good too. So it was very pleasant to have somebody from the Army Corps of Engineers come over. So that worked out really good too.